Indiran. So what is it? How are you cherishing this moment?
I'm really happy and I congratulate Shankar, Kalari and our whole crew and people of all over the world, Tamil Nadu, India. I'm happy they all liked it.
So, and it's a very different role. Chitty, Vasi, Greg, who is your favorite?
My favorite is Vashi.
Because we like Chitty because it's a villain role which you started reliving. Many years ago you acted as a villain.
Yeah, actually when a villain, to portray a villain character, actually I find no difficult. But Vashi's character, Vashi is a very sophisticated character. I felt actually little, I worked hard for that character.
And also sir, your fat opposite Aishwarya Rai, Bahu of your best friend, how is it?
She's a super person, nice.
And she's Bahu of your favorite person, I mean your best friend.
Yes.
So how is it?
Yeah.
So, and your spiritual journey, you're such a big star and still you're such a spiritual detached person. How is it possible?
Oh, God's grace.
And secret of your youth? Because at 60 you're dancing, you're fighting, you're doing everything.
I do yoga, meditation.
So finally, what's the next step for Mr. Rajnikant? Acting, spiritualism or politics?
I don't know how to wait.
Politics people are waiting for you, sir.
No,
and thank you. Would you like to say anything else?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So there, Mr. Rajnikant talking to Headlines today about his journey, about Emziran movie, about everything. With camera person Sujoy, Priyambada in Chennai for Headlines today.
Alright, running out of breath, our correspondent Priyambada, who managed to catch up with Rajni for that very, very rare chat. Priyambada, if you've caught your breath, what I'd like to know from you first and foremost is, tell our viewers, and especially those who are watching us in northern India, that this is rare because Rajni doesn't give interviews. Just take us through the aspect of that. What kind of a star is he that he doesn't give interviews? Bollywood stars and starlets rush to give interviews to television channels. Why doesn't he?
Nature of the superstar, and that is why he's a demigod here in Tamil Nadu. Fans go frenzy over him. They literally worship him, as we would have seen in the release day. People do pujas, they do aartis, and they do abhishekams for the star. And that is the stature, and he's a very composed person, and he's very media shy. And he's hardly given any interviews. In fact, in his entire career, if I remember right, he would have given only 3 to 4 interviews, and this is definitely a 5th interview, probably for the longest time, for 4 to 5 minutes, because he's hardly speaks for 1 or 2 minutes, and he always gives one-liners. He doesn't give interviews at a stretch, so that makes him all the more interesting because he's away from the the accessibility of people.
Okay, now let's get down to the interview that you had with him. That conversation started off pretty well. The innocent questions were answered very well, and then you started treading on perhaps thin ice when you started asking him about politics, spirituality, or whether more movies. What is it? What is happening with Rajnikant? Why is it that we don't see Rajni going into the field of politics? So many illustrious names have stepped onto the field of politics. What is it that keeps Rajni away?
Well, Rajnikant has been, like, a couple of years back, he did indirectly support the DMK government, and he did support the DMK, and after which DMK won the elections. But later on, he again patched up with the AIDMK Supremo. But there has been a lot of demand for him from his fans. Even 1.5 to 2 years back, he met his fans exclusively in Chennai, in which he again hinted, saying, if the God permits, whatever is the will of the God, he will do whatever is the command from the God. But that's been his answer. But I think definitely what is preventing him is the controversy surrounding the politics, and generally a very spiritual person, a shy person who wants to stay away from this kind of controversies, probably.
Absolutely, a man who wants to stay away from